for a little update video, everyone. So I've just left Tony at Ford's garage. We're obviously in Millie. You knew that because it was on the thumbnail, didn't you? Millie's just had an MOT, and I'm pleased to say she's passed again. No advisories. Happy days. It does look like she's probably going to need at least a rear silencer, rear exhaust at some point, so we're going to start looking into getting an exhaust system for Millie, just like we did with Felicity the Ford Fiesta. Seems to be an exhausting year for exhaust, doesn't it, on the channel? But you know, if you follow me and the videos on the channel, you'll already know that I'm a fussy so-and-so. Try and look after the cars the best we can. But anyway, so Millie's got 12 months ticket, as we would call it in the UK, which is all good. No advisories, as we said, and surprisingly, she's done about 800 miles. Let's listen to that engine. Oh. How nice do MG Metros sound? Fantastic. Love this car. If you own the cars that I currently own at the time that you're watching this video, which 3 cars would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. I'm hoping you won't say none of them, because if you're watching the channel, I'm guessing you like at least one of them. But let me know in the comments below. Pick the top 3 cars on the channel that you would keep, that you wouldn't want to see disappear from the channel. Let me know. I'm genuinely interested, and I could be swayed by opinion. So maybe not just let me know the cars that you would want me to keep, but maybe why you would want me to keep them. What is it about those cars that you particularly like? Let me know in the comments. I am intrigued to see what you say. We'll do a little bit more driving in this video, everyone, before it ends, so please stick with me. But I'll take this opportunity to say now, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the little update, hit the like button, because it really does help build the channel. And if you're not subscribed, there'll be a link somewhere here. You know the drill. It's completely free, but again, it really does help build the channel. It shows your support. Enjoy whatever it is you're driving. I'll see you soon.